What's up everyone? So in today's video, we're out in the Tacoma. We're gonna be doing a small interior modification change. You guys will see that later. But now we're gonna head out in the R8 because we're gonna meet up with a friend of mine. So here's a cold start in the garage. I wish I could show you guys how loud that is. Is that loud? Is that really loud? The R8's favorite stop is the gas station, so let's get it filled up. And my friend just showed up in his 350Z. Let's head out. That thing is completely straight piped. Oh, that's so cool. Alright guys, so we've come out to this graffiti wall to do a photo shoot with the R8. His 350Z sounds so good, completely straight pipe. I'll have his Instagram down in the description below. He takes some awesome pictures. We actually met at Eurofest. He took some phenomenal pictures of the supercars and hypercars there. So we're gonna get some awesome pictures of the R8 today in front of this wall. This is spot number 1. I want that passenger side to make it as far down that concrete.
It's about to rub.
Yeah, it's probably gonna drop down and grab the bottom of the bumper because it hangs down a little bit lower on the sides, and that's what I'm afraid of.
Yeah, last time I think I got close to that pole.
So swing it around and come straight this way. No, what are you doing? Why?
Oh my god.
You can't reverse it?
No, I can't. And I turn passenger side anyway? Oh boy.
Let me think. I don't want it to drop down on either side.
Yeah.
Because that side's about an inch and a half off the ground. Probably could
You can't try to turn your wheels in reverse? There you go. See, I'm smart. You're good.
Oh, okay. Well, we gotta get going. Oh, we're good. Well, that's sometimes what you gotta do for the video, or the pictures, huh? My back hurts. My head in the passenger seat while he was taking pictures just in case any cars were coming, like the one that's behind us somewhere. But yeah, on to the next spot. You might be able to park there for a sec. Do you want the front end facing where your car will be, or?
same setup as last time.
This is a lot of fun. Are you having fun?
How's that fun?
Well, it's cool because we're getting some awesome pictures and we got a car coming. I'm probably gonna have to stay in the car just in case. Well, I just want to get some cool panning shots before any cars come because this is a pretty cool spot. Alright guys, so we're at spot number 2. We're finding some really cool spots to take pictures of the car. I thought we'd just come over and check out his 350Z. Pretty sure it's sitting on the frame. It is slammed and it is very loud too. Really like the wheels he's got. Very, very loud, very nice setup on his 350. But yeah, what do you guys think so far? We're doing a little bit of off-roading in the R8, something I didn't really want to do because I have a truck for that. That Z is so loud. So we are leaving the second spot, and as you do under a bridge. So loud. Do you think the front of my car should be facing the stairs, or should I back in?
Hey, are you listening? There's a security guard right there. We can't pull up there.
Oh, I couldn't see him. I think he waved to me when I was running to my car, but the sun is right there, so I just saw a head. We could go ask him. I could walk up to him. Like, hey, can I park right there? Let me go ask him. I'll bring my camera. Oh. How you doing, sir? I'm Mike. How you doing?
Bob.
Good. I think I might have seen you. I was running to my car, but the sun was in my eyes.
Oh, that's all good, man.
We had a question for you.
Yeah.
We're just taking some pictures. Would it be okay if we drove up just in front of this glass here for some reflection shots?
If you make it quick.
Okay.
Just make it real quick.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We got to make it quick. Make it quick, yeah. So I'll stay in the car. Okay. All right. That is pretty sweet. These are way better than this camera, for sure.
Uh-huh.
Than I could at least do, but
Well,
man.
maybe you need to upgrade.
All right, guys, so this is the last spot parking under this bridge here. And we're gonna, ooh, there's a lot of crap in here, isn't there? All right, we're gonna get the last couple shots here. With the Tacoma now, my friend took some incredible pictures of the R8, as you guys just saw. I can't thank him enough for that. We're gonna head on inside the truck, go ahead and open up the package that I just got. So these are the raised glove box letters from toughskins.com. I'll have a link to their website down in the description below. I have a couple other of their products, like all the foam inserts I have in the cup holders, along with the raised tailgate letters as well. If you guys use the promo code YODA10, you'll save 10% off your next purchase from toughskins.com and also receive free shipping as well. So with everything unboxed now, I'll just go over everything that's included in the kit. You get this adhesion promoter, along with 2 alcohol wiping pads, and of course all of the letters. The instructions for installing this kit will change at some point. They're gonna go to more of a peel and stick, so you probably don't have to do any of this, but I have the instructions on the back side to follow. Before I put these letters on, I just wanna show you guys how similar they are to the raised letters on the tailgate that I have. So basically it's the exact same thing, just for the glove box. I think it's gonna look a lot cooler. I had vinyl underneath the tailgate letters. I have vinyl that I'm gonna be covering up with this too. So I think it gives it just a cooler look, kind of more 3D, being the raised letters rather than just having vinyl. So you can see I have vinyl on there again. I'm just gonna go ahead and cover it up. Doesn't really matter if it's still on there. I did it with the tailgate. So kind of a good before and after. You can see how sunk in just the vinyl is compared to a little sneak peek at how they're gonna look with the raised letters. The first step in this process, I'm just taking a damp paper towel just to clean out all of the letters, make sure there's no dust or anything that could get stuck behind the letters. So I'll just go ahead and finish that up. Next up, it's time to take one of the alcohol pads and just go over that again, making sure there's no oil or any debris that I missed from the paper towel. Even some of the paper towel debris might be on there. Okay, now I'll let that dry a little bit before we go to step 3. Once that's all dried, now I'm gonna take their adhesion promoter. I've never used anything like this before. It says just to kind of crack it in the middle. Oh, there we go. Okay, hopefully you guys heard that. And now it should be able to squeeze it. And now what I'm gonna do is just go over all the letters again, and then we can put them on. Okay, with that done, we're gonna start on the letters now. If you have a hair dryer, it's probably gonna be easier. You may not have to use this adhesion promoter, but now we're gonna start with the T and basically just place it right on top of the letter. There we go. That's one down. I'm gonna show you guys real quick just to see. I don't know if you'll be able to see a difference between the raised letter there and the vinyl next to it, Well, you can kind of see it from here. I don't know if it's gonna come across on camera or not, but it's looking good so far. Wow guys, this is looking so cool. These letters are fitting perfectly in each of these. But what do you guys think? Comment down below. I am really liking how these are turning out. Wow, those look way better than the vinyl that I had. Oh, that is so cool. So that's it for today's project, you guys. What do you think? Is that too much blue for the Tacoma? I know I covered blue with blue, but I have blue there. I have the blue footlights at night. Around the AC vents is from Tough Skins as well. And then of course I painted that dash piece there. What do you guys think? Comment down below. I think I want to make this blue as well, along with around the doors and then in the back seat too, even though I'm not back here that often, because the piece around the dash was the same color. So comment down below, you guys. Do you think it's gonna be too much blue doing that centerpiece and then all of the doors? I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, having a little fun in the R8 and getting a small project done in the Tacoma. Stay tuned, you guys, for the final unveil. It's coming very soon. You'll see a couple videos before the actual unveil, so I hope you guys subscribe to stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next video.